Welcome back. Myself SD. Today I'm going to show you the second part of Lightsail and Amazon Lightsail. So first thing is that how to connect that Amazon Lightsail server. It is a VPS server and you have all the access and you can modify all the things in that server. So first of all, in my first video you can see that I have a PM file. So first of all, I have Windows PC, so that's why I need to create if I want to connect through the putty, so I need a ppk file. So but I connect through that server console in SSH. Yeah, it's connecting, so it's connected to that server. You can just click on that portion, so you can logged into the SSH. So now I just log into the root user. Yeah, now I am in root user. You can check with that. So I'm updating my server. It's done. Now I install the PHP. Basically the LAMP server. It's need the MySQL password. And my PHP is ready now, and also the MySQL. Okay, so you can check that the PHP version. It's a single click installation, and I have to go to that. Yeah, now I create a info file. Okay, so now I just close that. Okay, so now I want to install that PHPMyadmin. So its command is apt get install PHP+MyAdmin -y, and it getting started to install the PHP+MyAdmin. And I have to select that one, the Apache 2, and once again it's asking for the password of the MySQL. Yeah, again I enter the password, the same password with previously entered. Okay, so both are installed in my VPS Lightsail server. So how can I see that? You can see that I have a IP address. That the default IP address with my Lightsail server, that the Ubuntu server. Then I type the info.php that I already created in my server. Okay, so you can also the check PHPMyadmin. My server is ready for the PHP coding. So it's so simple to create a Lightsail server with a lower price. So you can create that anytime with my video helping. If you have any question related to that video, you can comment out in my video. And also, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel for previous upcoming video. This is a part 2 of Lightsail. The part 3 I can show you how to add a static IP address and why adding the static IP address, and second last video is the snapshot related, and also the domain pointing. So keep watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.